Even the most reliable equipment needs routine maintenance to perform at its best. Through Accucold's experienced and extensive network of service professionals, they are able to offer a preventive maintenance program. This program offers a variety of plans that help extend equipment life while reducing the risk of unexpected downtime. Every visit includes a thorough cleaning, equipment inspection, fan and compressor evaluation, gasket inspection, and performance testing to verify stable temperatures. Preventive maintenance plans also include calibration of compatible temperature monitoring devices, along with alarm verification to help ensure your equipment continues to operate within specifications. When the visit is complete, you'll receive detailed service documentation and recommendations, giving you confidence that your refrigeration equipment is ready for the demands of your facility.